This is Fisher Traction, the revolutionary device providing traction right at home. You can get the exact same traction you would get in a doctor's office, but now you can receive pain relief anytime, anywhere, and it's as easy as lying down. As she lays here in traction, the spine is gently pulled off the nerves. Then as she occasionally pulls the release strap, the tension relaxes, which draws fluid back into the discs, rehydrating them, allowing pain relief and repair.
Instantaneously, I feel that decompression in my neck, and with that decompression, my migraine starts to lessen.
Just loop it over the outer doorknob, sit down on the floor and lie back. Now simply feel the pull. This is the fastest, easiest way ever to relieve pain using clinical grade traction anytime, anywhere.
I'm able to manage my pain at home, and I'm smiling again.
Call, go online, or scan this code to order Fisher Traction to relieve your pain. Act now and get a limited time discount and free shipping. Call or go online now.